Every lie I made my home. You came crashing like a river, and you wouldn't let me go. So I'm standing in surrender, with my hands up to the sky. Here's my pride, here's my failure. Lord, I'm yours, I won't run this time. Tear down these walls, let your glory fall. I've been holding back, but you want it all. Break every chain, lift my heart again. I was lost, but now I'm found in your name. Oh Jesus, have it all. Tear down these walls. I kept fighting for control, but it only left me tired. You said freedom's in the letting go, in the fire you refine. You're the God who lights the darkness. You're the hope that never quits. So take my ruins, take my weakness, build a kingdom out of it. Now I'm standing in surrender. Let your mercy wash me clean. Every burden, every secret, I lay it down, I want to be free. Tear down these walls, let your glory fall. I've been holding back, but you want it all. Break every chain, lift my heart again. I was lost, but now I'm found in your name. Oh Jesus, have it all. Tear down these. I'm done running, I'm done hiding. You can have my heart, yeah, every part of me. I'm done fighting, fear is dying. Your love is the only thing that's conquering. I'm done running, I'm done hiding. Take the walls I made and break them piece by piece. Tear down these walls, let your glory fall. You have all of me, you deserve it all. Break every chain, lift my life again. In your freedom, Lord, I rise from the ashes. Oh Jesus, have it all.